Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a Larimar. It's a type of stone, and a lot of people know it by sort of like the blue and the whites. But today I'm going to do a reddish-brown Larimar. When I did a search on it, it actually came up. I asked what colors are there in Larimar, and it came up with the reddish brown also, which is quite pretty. So today I'm going to do that, and I thought I'll maybe read out what Larimar actually means as I pour. So let's get started. So I've got the white. It's not very opaque. I'll pour that in. So looking at the Larimar, the meaning of it, it's actually the spiritual properties of the meaning. It's emotional healing and calm. The Larimar is considered a powerful stone for calming chaotic emotions, relieving stress, and easing anxiety. It is believed to have a soothing effect like gentle waves and helps people flow with their feelings. So I'll pour. This is the reddish brown. So as a stone, it goes for the throat chakra. It is said to promote clear, heartfelt communication and help individuals express their thoughts and feelings with ease and honesty. And it has a connection to the divine feminine. Larimar is strongly linked to the nurturing and intuitive qualities of the divine feminine. It can help individuals connect to their inner goddess, fostering softness, compassion, and flow. My gosh, I didn't even realize that it meant all this stuff. So I'm putting some brown in. And we're having really windy weather. I think I'll put some copper stones in because it's sort of that similar color. As you can see, my caravan is going crazy with the wind. And I received my new dryer, so I'm gonna see if I can try that. Wow, can you see how the caravan's moving? I hope it doesn't screw this up. But we'll give it our best shot. Yeah, we've had really bad warnings about the weather. But it's only weather. Okay, so we'll see you for the unmolding. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it turned out cute. Alright, let's see how this one turned out. The reddish-brown Larimar. I wonder if it was... Oh, that's unusual. Very unusual. Okay. Let's put it on the black background. Actually, it's very pretty. It's gorgeous. Let me bring it down. Very subtle. The lines are very subtle. And I think that went crazy. But I will give this one another go. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors, the reddish brown and the brown. It came out beautiful. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that bell icon for more good videos like this. Thank you.